Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video to show what I think is going on Bitcoin currently. It's been kind of in this, um, it dropped down below this range, and it's just kind of been hanging out here. And so I wanted to discuss that for a second. So when Bitcoin first came up here to interact with the 100,000 level, the big level there, you can see that we came up and touched just below it, then thrust above it but couldn't hold, and so you can see it traded back down and closed at 93-ish here, and then the next candle opened up here and traded up, and we finally got the close above 100k right here at 102 something. So this was kind of a mission accomplished bar right here. We touched 100k, then got the close right here. Mission accomplished. Then we started retracing back to fill in gaps, fill in the void that was created in this up thrust here. So I look for the mission accomplished signal on the low on the short at this point. And I think it's possible we just got it. So I thought I would mention that to everyone. So there was a on the daily chart, I had a target down here at 83, I think it was 83.890 or something. And actually I can just turn it on here. Right at this red line was 83.8 something. And so we came down and interacted with it, but didn't get a daily close below it until over here. So we flirted with it, shot up, flirted with it again, then finally got a close below it here. So I was watching for that. So we got the kind of daily time frame mission accomplished at that point. And so I thought, okay, maybe that's the end of it. And in a way, I think it maybe still is. On the weekly chart, we had the same thing. We got a wick down here, but it didn't close. We shot back up. Then we got the weekly close here down below that level. Then we got some interaction with that level on both sides. And actually, if you look back on the daily, you can kind of see where we interact with it from below. So this is the level over here. We interact with it from below, then we shoot above and interact with it from above up here, kind of use it as support. Now we've purged back below, and it's interesting to me that just as the month was ending here, 26th, 27th, 28th, we start trading back down into here. Close the month right down here at this level. And you can see I've got a short target here. And I had drawn back in here somewhere, I had drawn this zigzag because I'd noticed that it appeared to be nearing the short target from this short acquisition up here was nearing its target here at this red line, and it was interacting with a premium discount, and I was expecting it to shoot down here, take the target, and then reverse. And so that's what it looks like is going on right now. And so I expect it to now start pushing upward. And so this, the daily, it purged below here, got the daily close, mission accomplished on the daily, mission accomplished on the weekly. And now, just as March has finished, we got a mission accomplished on the monthly. You can see there was this target here. Didn't get a close below it here. March gave us the close below it. And so I think that might be the mission accomplished. And you can, like I was saying, just in the last days leading up to the end of the month, it shot down here just to get back below those levels for the close of the month, so that the monthly closing volume would then be traded at a level below that target. And so I think that was the mission that was being attempted or tried for, and they got it in March, and so now I think we're free to reverse from here. So that's what I'm expecting, a bounce from here. I just thought I'd share that analysis. During this whole build up, you can kind of see here that there was no real liquidity taken. It just kept slowly building back up. So I mean, I never trust this kind of thing, and so this was a marker here I put saying this is building liquidity that's going to later be harvested, and this was harvested right here at the end of the month when they pushed it back down to the target level to close the month at an advantageous level and to touch this short target. So now I think it's very viable in here. It's possible that we could have some type of short-term panic down in here again, but I think at this point it's free to reverse.